Now, looking at it from the perspective of skin, which most people see and are very visual beings, what do you feel about topical collagen creams and things like that?
So basically, if you're looking for something topically, there's a lot of evidence for vitamin A, retinol, topically, but of course, ingesting too vitamin A is important. Would a topical collagen supplement work? I don't really think so. You build collagen from the inside out regarding an actual exogenous source of collagen, whether it be topical, whether it be ingestion. So the studies are very clear, and there are many studies looking at taking a collagen supplement orally, improving and reducing wrinkles, improving the suppleness of the skin, reducing aging, the looks just of aging, crow's feet. All these things have been shown to be improved by taking collagen supplementation.
Yeah, I've always truly believed that beauty starts from the inside out. It's not what you put on the skin. You almost want to reduce that maybe sometimes. A lot of times there's so many chemicals in these cosmetics and everything else, and you want to focus on what's going into your body. With that said, though, photobiomodulation, like infrared light, red light itself, especially laser, LEDs that can penetrate a little bit deeper than just something topically, that has been shown, right, to actually increase collagen production in the area.
100%. And you're correct too. The fact that low level laser therapy, which is much more concentrated, you can use a lot more light in a given specific site, and you can hit numerous 40 different lights at once, and you go to the next area. But yeah, absolutely, infrared and red light both stimulate your body's own synthesis of collagen.
So for those out there that are saying, like, yes, I want to increase my collagen production mainly for those anti-aging pieces, and I'd rather do that than Botox, let's say, or something like that, what would be that whole stack right there? It would be absolutely ingesting collagen, right? It would be some photobiomodulate laser. What else would you be looking to do?
The other thing you want to do too is you want to make sure your vitamin C intake is optimized, because vitamin C stimulates the messenger RNA in our own cells that make collagen. So our fibroblasts for skin, our cartilage cells, our bone cells, which are called osteoblasts. Vitamin C stimulates the messenger RNA in those cells to synthesize collagen. So you also want to make sure you're getting good amounts of copper, which really means like liver, because that also gives you vitamin A, which is important for collagen synthesis as well. So like half an ounce of liver a day, or a few ounces a week is more than enough to sort of keep your copper and your vitamin A, and it does have vitamin C in it too, more optimized. But obviously citrus is where you get your
lots of that. Even red peppers and things like that have high levels. But as far as liver goes, so many people really dislike eating liver. How do you feel about liver pills in general? Because I've heard from some that it's a lower quality usually than a fresh liver, let's say, that you're going to eat. But would you advise supplementing if you're truly against liver? I say mix it into other meat and you won't taste it, but
I think exactly. I would prefer to see people figure out a way to consume fresh liver. And most people, if you just do an organ blend, you just consume it with like 75% muscle meat, then usually it's much more tolerable, or you figure out the spices, you season it well, and you really won't taste it that bad. Do liver capsules work? That's the question.
Yep.
Now, we don't really I don't think there's any clinical studies saying that the current liver capsules that are out have any type of effect. We just don't have the data. I think there have been old studies. I do recall one study back in like the 1950s that was trying to tease out nutrient deficiencies, and they supplemented people with liver capsules. And I think you do get some of the nutrients, but you do get more side effects. A lot of people get migraines and headaches from taking those capsules. I myself have taken them and I got them the worst migraine. I don't ever get those. So I think when you dehydrate a liver and it's already such a concentrated organ, and you concentrate even more into this little powder, it's not the same thing anymore, right? It's completely different. And so it just comes down to a tolerability perspective from both the sense of the supplement, but also, do you tolerate eating fresh liver? But always you want to try to do fresh cooked liver before anything else.
Yeah. Hey, listen, if the Liver King could do it and eat those raw livers all the time, although we know that wasn't all natural him now, but, I think most people could find a way to add a little bit into their diets and mix it in. I'm totally on board with you also with that idea. Like when people ask, can I take, sure, you could take capsules and things like that, but why not? Like, and especially with something like liver, it's just so dense. It is, such a superfood.
Well, the thing is too, is so you need, let's say, you don't need a lot of it. Like even 5 grams a day would be tremendous compared to what most people are getting. You can literally cut up cooked liver and put it in a capsule. There's your liver capsule. You know what I mean?
Yeah, totally. And it doesn't really matter about source either, right? As long as the quality of the meat, you could say, in a sense, isn't adulterated, it's, from a better butcher shop or something. But whether it's chicken, bison, beef, it's all very nutrient dense, correct?
Yeah, we always strive for our, pastured, 100% grass-fed, finished animal sourcing of liver. But yeah, beef liver is going to have more copper than chicken liver, but if you're not consuming anything, eating chicken livers is better than nothing.